If you are searching for small manufacturing business ideas that you can start from home or a small factory setup in 2026, this video is for you. Today we are discussing 10 small-scale manufacturing business ideas that can be started with small business machines in a garage or small workshop. Yes, friends, not in an industrial zone, not with some big machines. And if you are also serious about starting a business with demand and growth potential, this video will help you explore realistic options you're thinking about for manufacturing. However, keep in mind that every business requires hard work, continuous learning, and effective market research. This is not a shortcut video to making quick money, but rather a system designed for gradual growth. So watch the entire video to ensure you can make an informed decision. But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Cable organizers and desk accessories. In today's era, every home and office is filled with countless electronic devices, so organizing these cables has become a major challenge. As a result, the demand for small-sized power organizers and desk accessories has increased significantly in various markets. So you can start making these with the help of a small mold, using materials like silicone or rubber. Initially, keep your production volume low and test the market reception for your product, either locally or through online platforms. Remember, your success in this venture will depend heavily on the product's design and its branding. Customized packaging inserts. Today, every small brand strives to enhance its product packaging to ensure a superior customer experience. For this very reason, demand has been growing in the D2C segment. So you can launch this business on a small scale using basic cutting tools and design templates. But in this venture, your primary focus should be on acquiring clients rather than investing heavily in machinery. Once orders gradually increase, you can then consider transitioning towards semi-automated production processes. Number 3. Hydroponic Net Pots. Due to limited space in urban areas and the growing demand for fresh produce, hydroponic farming is steadily gaining popularity. The net pots used within these systems are essential components for which there is an emerging market interest, particularly in urban farming communities. In the initial stages, instead of manufacturing them yourself, you can focus on sourcing these pots while concentrating your efforts on branding and sales. Later, once you have a clear understanding of the market demand, you can transition to a small-scale molding setup. To achieve success in this venture, it is crucial to reach the right target audience. Number 4. Wooden home decor products. Wooden home decor has maintained relatively stable consumer interest over the years, though competition and design trends shift regularly. So you can start this business using basic woodworking tools or small CNC or laser machines. But the most critical factor in this business is your design and finishing quality, as these elements are what truly set your products apart. Therefore, initially, produce small batches to gauge the market response. Once you manage to nail the right design, this venture has the potential to evolve into a successful brand. Number 5. Shock-proof laptop case production. Laptops have emerged as indispensable work tools today. People take them everywhere, whether it's to offices, on trips, or remote work. These cases are specially designed to withstand external impacts and protect devices from damage. As a result, the demand for shock-resistant laptop cases has increased rapidly in the global accessories market. Therefore, you could focus on manufacturing protective cases by purchasing the raw materials in bulk and utilizing a small sewing machine. Furthermore, you could aim to distribute these products to accessories companies operating within the vast online marketplace. Number 6. High-density foam yoga block production. Today, the fitness and wellness culture is growing rapidly worldwide, especially as people practice yoga in their homes and studios. As a result, the demand has been observed to grow in wellness-focused markets. Therefore, you can manufacture these yoga blocks with quality machinery, foam cutting, and shaping facilities. Furthermore, you can market your products by targeting yoga studios, fitness brands, and wellness companies that cater to both domestic and international markets. Over time, you can gradually build and establish your own distinct brand identity. Number 7. Small-scale microfiber cleaning cloths production. Microfiber cloths are utilized widely for various purposes, ranging from car cleaning to kitchen chores. However, the smartest approach to entering this market is to begin by purchasing cloths in bulk and focusing initially on cutting, packaging, and branding. This strategy helps minimize your financial risk while allowing you to gain a better understanding of the market dynamics. Later, as your business scales up, you can then consider transitioning into full-scale manufacturing. In this venture, your profit margins will depend significantly on your sourcing strategies. Number 8. Ready-to-cook food products. Friends, these days people are increasingly turning to ready-to-cook food products like mixes and instant products as a way to save time. Therefore, you can find such products, manufacture them in small quantities, and sell them in packaged form. However, to do this, you must pay close attention to the taste, quality, and shelf life of the food products, and strictly follow food quality control regulations. Then, initially, you can start your sales through local markets or online sales platforms. Since this industry involves food products, it is mandatory to obtain the necessary licenses and comply with relevant regulations. Number 9. Shoe cleaning and care products. Everyone uses shoes, and now people have started paying attention to their care as well. So they are using products like shoe cleaning products, polishes, and brush kits. So you can start this business by learning product creation on a small scale or by choosing basic ingredients and focusing on branding and packaging. Furthermore, you can sell your products through both online channels and local retail stores. However, in this particular industry, branding and product presentation play a pivotal role. Number 10. 3D printing products. 3D printing is a versatile technology that enables you to create a wide variety of products ranging from desk accessories to custom-made parts. You can begin with a small 3D printer and gradually develop new products as you hone your skills. The initial phase of this venture involves a significant amount of experimentation, and results may not be immediate. However, if you manage to identify the right product niche, this can develop into a truly unique business enterprise. In this field, the greatest investment you make is the time and effort you dedicate to learning. Friends, all of these businesses can be started on a small scale. However, time, hard work, and right strategy are essential for every venture. Just buying machines does not make a business. The real challenge lies in selling products and building a customer base. So, before you start a business, make sure to conduct market research and test it on a small scale. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.